cling, cling, 5-pin and 10-pin. We've done this before. I'm going to go over real quick. When you go bowling and you play 10-pin, okay, the first 3 strikes that count, you will get a total of 30 in the first box. By the time you finish, well, you have 300 in the last box. That's the way the game goes. XXX equals to 72. X is the 24th letter. XXX also equals to 9, 72 and 9. So your birth is 72, which is, everybody knows, is hard to get a camera, right? So you get 72, and you need 3 of those. 216, that's what the Mayans talk about, the number 216. It's a 924-hour day. It's 9-6 rotation. It's 2 times 4, 2 plus 4 equals 8 and 6 communication through the 7th gate. Because that's what the word to number says, not my thing. Then we have other things that go around. 8 times 8, 7 times 7, they're thresholds. Squares for thresholds. 7 times 7, 6 times 6, 5 times 5, 4 times 4, they're thresholds. And they meet certain numeric values at certain places, and I'm not going to get into that at this moment. We went over this binary today. We went over the Sanskrit, where I used the binary 1, 2, 4, 8, which is actually 16 times 6, 96 rotation, which is actually 32 times 7, 32 times 7, which is 210 and 14. 32, 32. Don't like my camera this way. It's not fun to watch me. 32. 32 times 7, where is that? Right. Here is the 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 times 7. 7 by 2 is 14. 7 by 30 is 210, 224, 112, 56, 28. So you know rotation in the cycle. And guess what? The 7th gate. 5 times 0 is 0. All zeros equal 6. 5 times 6 is 30 creation. It would be 35544. And then we'd mirror it and balance it out for whatever the actual 51, 52. Earth's memory. The continuation of the Sanskrit, where we minus it and we added it, it comes out to 11. 748, 748 comes out to 11. 19, artificial intelligence becomes 1 and becomes 1, 171, the gateway. This is not fun. I'm going to have to do this again. 159, 849, 007, 007. This, okay, is area number 4 on here. Area number 4. And area number 4 on the other side. Here, 307692. 307692. Multiply it, add it, and minus it. Here we get 271, 271. Okay, the center is 3. It'd be 939. That's the sky system of Saturn. Hoover Dam and the running of the electric through there. Here when we have 8 in this 159849, we have 17, we have 8 in the center, we have 6, 8, and 4. That's time. In addition, on the cross, crossing over the cross, right? When you cross over the cross this way, it gives you the greatest diameter. It also gives you a diamond shape. That diamond shape. And the diamond shape is found, all you have to do is make 2 hearts over each other, 88. You get the diamond in the center, and you get all these D's on this side. Well, whichever way you want to call it, unless you want to put a straight stick through it and call them B's, right? Straight stick through 2 sides. The H and I is in through the backbones of B's. Do you follow where I'm going right now? When you put them all together, it creates 28 cycle to 6 and 9 rotation. This 28 cycle runs through the moon. See this little design here? Your V, your W. Here's your V in between the 2. V and V equals 44 area space. So now we would just take this all the way down to here, and this down to here. And if you notice it, this is the Superman basic logo. If you want, we can call it also the eyes of the fox. All right. And we're just going to leave this design like this. There was another piece on here I wanted to add in, which is 9999, which is 36. They all have a separation by 1. But it goes over here. Hold on a second. I'm hearing some stuff in the background. I'm hearing stuff in the background. I don't like it. We're going to start this off again. 999 and 9 is 36. 3, 6, 9, 12. It's 36 in the squares plus 12, okay, equals to 48, plus 1 equals to 49 separation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, plus 1. 48 equals to the sun, creation of the high skies. When you work all this together, this area over here is 1, 2, 3, the fourth area. 4, 1, 1, 4. Okay, when you draw this, okay, in numbers, 1, 5, 9, boom. You come into the fourth area, 1, 5, 9 going by 4s becomes 13. This area over here starts at 7. Then it goes, on the telephone, where is it? Where's my calculator? Everybody knows what the calculator face looks like, right? I'm basing it off of this face over here. Actually, I'm basing it off the phone, not the calculator, right? The phone. You see the way it shows in between? Over here, that's your in between. In between, in between. That's the way I'm going to use it. It can be many other ways. If you have something to say, say it. At the same time, so now we have to go up and down. So this would be 5. This would be the 5 area. This is 1, 5, 9, 13. This would be 3. I can also work it at 3. I know I'm stumbling over this. This can be 3, 5, 7, where this actual 4 goes, right? Is going to be a 9. 3, 5, 7, 9. 3, 5, 7, 9. Is that the way I'm going to do it? Yes. Okay. Sorry. It goes here. It goes 3, 3, 5, 7 over here, and this one over here. See this one over here? And in this one over here, it goes, because it's upside down and backwards, it'll go 3, 5, 7 this way. And then this one over here actually should say 3, 5, 7. So this one will be not only 4, but it'll also be the 9 mark. So it'll be 9 and 4, and that marking is for Uranus. That's where the passage goes to. I know it took me a while to get through. If you want to know what this is the piano, A, G, A, G, A, G, which is 1, 7, 1, 7, 1, 7. And in between is the 4th key. In between is the 11th key, okay, which is KB. In between is the 18th key, which is R, which is I, but everybody goes with the D because it's also the D key. Here's the RID, the IRD, third area, 21 the cube. 28 cycle of the moon, you get the number of Earth, 25 and 28. Earth and the moon, 52 Earth cycle in the moon, the cube, resident heaven and angel. Here is the K, here is the N, 5 and 2 again, another way to Earth, 1 and 1. Might be the doorway, might be communication, I don't know. Over here you have 25 Earth. Okay, 25 is the Y letter. It's also B and E. Okay, it's also creation of the Christ. 5 times 2, 5 plus 2 is 10, 7, 17, and it recreates this one over here. This one is in Earth. 32 is the freezing point to the high heaven. You'll find this on the left. Here's the 7th part, so here's your gateway. Things repeat. Your gateway is through the number to Saturn. This is Zion, Israel, another gateway, 7 times 7, 49. This is communication gateway, 2 times 4, 2 plus 4 equals 8 and 6. This goes in between. Okay, these are the 52 keys. So do I go first and last, or do I start from over here? I start from C, and I end on C in the 52 keys. So I'll start on C3, and I'll end on 52, C7, 3 and 7, and that's the number to Nibiru, 7337, win a big red sun, Nibiru. Now, I know this was hard to understand, so there are 9 areas, okay, in which there are 8 areas and 1, okay, 8 areas and 1, and every single one is 8 and 1, 8 and 1, 8 and 1. And in between, okay, every single one of these, 8 and 1, and then 1, all connecting. We're only going to count the connecting box here, which is 3, which is 5, 8, 1, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1. 1 here, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 that connect. We have 1 that connects. We have 8 that connects. This is our connection. Our box is right here. Now, are we looking at it in height? Where I can, if I looked at it in height, I would have to square off this box, right? And I would square off the box like this, and then it would be that box over there that you see. And then it would bring all these numbers together. I do not have them straight. I should straighten them out. I don't know what the numbers will tell you. I'm going to have to redo this to straighten it out for myself. Last thing I wanted to say is round gives me 72. Square gives me 81. What's inside of 18? It's 27, so the round is inside the square in numbers. 81 is Venus. Venus to win a big red sun. It says 2 and 9 is inside 1 and 8, but that's not true, because if 1 is inside 8, it would show you this. It would be right over here. Round is 27. 2 times 7, 2 plus 7 is 14 equals to 5. And 9 equals to your birth, communication. The 7 will go over here between 6 and 8. The 4 will go over here between 4 and 5. And the 1 is inside 5. So we're just going to play with this side of the board over here. I'm just thinking. I'm just going over this. I'm just going over these numbers. Green is 49. That is your gateway. Round is 72 and square is 81. Pretty funny. You get to a red light. What do? You stick around, right? Anyways, Raphael 72. Another thing to understand is that 1 and 7, okay, is the heaven's angel inside. And don't forget, 1 minus 8 equals to 7. 2 minus 7 equals to 5. 5 and 7 is through the moon. 1 and 8 equals to 17 in multiplication. This will equal to 23. The difference is 6. What do these all do? I don't know right now. I'm thinking, and all these colors and all these numbers, and then when we run it this way, when we reduce numbers, if we're reducing here, I reduce 54. If I'm reducing in light, I'm reducing 27. 3 times 9, 9 times 6. Everything will equal to a missing number that is equatable by the division of 9. Or if you want to use 3, but it's 3 times a number to get inside. Raphael 72, 86, and a constellation of Pegasus. Did I explain this right or not? Thank you for watching. Oh, the last thing I wanted to show you is this. 765, 765 says 11, 7, 11. 727. Thank you for watching this video.